In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record chargebacks or returned payments in QuickBooks Online. If a customer payment gets reversed by the bank or comes back as a chargeback, it's important to record it properly so your books stay accurate. The goal here is to show that the money was originally received but then removed from your account. In QuickBooks Online, one simple way to handle this is by creating a specific service item for returned payments and then invoicing the customer for that amount. This keeps the customer balance clear and helps you track what still needs to be collected. To begin, you'll want to create a service item called returned payment or chargeback if you don't already have one set up. If you've already created something similar in the past, you can skip this part. Go to Settings by clicking the gear icon, then choose Products and Services. From there, click New and select Service. For the name, enter something clear like returned payment or chargeback, so it's easy to recognize later. For the income account, choose the same bank account where the original payment was deposited. This is an important detail because it helps reflect the reversal against the correct account. Once everything looks right, click Save and Close. Next, you'll invoice the customer for the amount that was returned. Click New, then select Invoice. Choose the customer connected to the returned payment or chargeback. In the Product or Service column, select the return payment item you just created. Then enter the original transaction amount that was reversed by the bank or payment processor. After that, click Save and Close. And that's it. By doing this, you've re-established the amount the customer still owes, and you've also created a clean record in QuickBooks showing why that balance is back on their account. This can make follow-up much easier, especially if you need to collect the payment again later. As a quick tip, make sure the amount you enter matches the exact return payment amount from your bank records, so your reporting stays consistent. It's also a good idea to use a clear item name, like returned payment, so you can quickly identify these transactions in reports and customer histories. That's the full process for recording chargebacks or returned payments in QuickBooks Online. Once you've done it once, it becomes a very fast and repeatable workflow.